Ever stared at a glowing screen filled with cryptic charts and wondered, is cryptocurrency the future or just a fad? If you've ever dipped your toes into the crypto pool, you've likely encountered the question of choosing the right exchange. Here in Canada, Newton Crypto has been making waves. But is it all smooth sailing, or are there hidden reefs lurking beneath the surface? Let's dive deep and explore the good, the bad, and the cryptoverse in between to see if Newton is the right platform for you. First mate, the good stuff. Newton sets itself apart with a user-friendly interface that even your grandma navigating Facebook for the first time could, probably, grasp. No complex jargon, no overwhelming layouts, just a clean, intuitive design that makes buying and selling crypto as straightforward as possible. This is a major win for beginners hesitant to jump into the crypto market due to its perceived complexity. Speaking of buying and selling, Newton boasts some of the lowest fees in Canada. We're talking a flat fee structure, meaning you know exactly what you're paying up front, with no hidden charges to bite you later. Transparency is key in the world of finance, and Newton delivers in this regard. Security is paramount when dealing with digital assets. Here, Newton shines again. They employ industry-leading security practices, including secure cold storage for your crypto holdings and two-factor authentication to keep your account safe from prying eyes. Let's not forget the variety. Newton offers a diverse selection of popular cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum, the big players, to altcoins like Cardano and Polkadot, catering to both seasoned investors and those exploring the fringes of the crypto landscape. The cruise quarters, areas for improvement. No platform is perfect, and Newton is no exception. One of the main drawbacks is the lack of advanced features. Seasoned crypto traders who crave margin trading, staking options, or fancy charting tools might find Newton a bit too simplistic for their needs. It's more suited for those looking for a hassle-free way to buy and hold crypto for the long term. Another point to consider is the limited customer support options. While Newton offers email support and a decent FAQ section, some users might find the lack of live chat or phone support frustrating, especially when dealing with urgent issues. Facing the Kraken, the verdict. So, is Newton Crypto good? It depends. For beginners intimidated by the complexities of crypto trading, Newton is an excellent gateway. Its user-friendly interface, low fees, and top-notch security make it an attractive option. Plus, with a decent selection of currencies, there's something for everyone, even if you're just dipping your toes in. However, if you're a seasoned crypto trader yearning for advanced features and extensive customer support, Newton might leave you wanting more. Remember, cryptocurrency remains a volatile investment. Always do your own research before investing and never put in more than you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.